Highway 6. Now I see why this said chain up. Trucks in front of us. There's one in the front. I'm not saying too slow, but hit about 20, 25. We're going uphill right now. You want to be going slow uphill. You want to be going slow downhill. This is part 2 of the chain control Highway 6. Stay safe out there. We got off my phone now. Get it going.
Oh yeah, baby. You guys see it? Oh yeah, baby. Stay safe, guys. Stay safe. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Beautiful day today. Sunday, December 19th. Trucking on to Caldwell, Idaho. Make sure to drop a like, comment, hit that bell, and subscribe. Do all the 4 of the above. What's going on, guys? We're headed to Idaho today. I left last night, started my journey a little early. Well, I need to make it through my hours. But yeah, we're headed to Idaho. I got a load of bananas set at 60 degrees continuous. Then we got the typical frozen out of Burley, Idaho, the French fries, headed back to the hometown. And be picking up my kids and bring them home for the holidays. Thank God for that. Thank God for the company I work for that helps me out by giving me loads out here. I'm still in the process of making the video on the company, what I make, how I started, how many years I've been here, and everything else included. But yeah, just on Tuesday I was coming through here. Let me tell you, it was a damn disaster. Snow, rain. And when I mean disaster, the traffic around me. Let me turn you guys around if you guys can hear me a little better. I'm on the hair. But yeah, so yeah, on Tuesday I left. And when I got up to 395 all the way to Bishop, I grabbed Highway 6. Usually that's the way to avoid the 80. So I headed that way. Then I had to put chains on, so I thought I'd be able to make a TikTok trying to motivate us truck drivers, that people that don't know how it is to, put chains on to come out here and do what we do. And, you got all the typical older veterans, all the guys that got to get the 2 cents in. The concept of my TikTok was to not to show the weather wasn't bad. It was the point of the video was to put on chains. So I had to chain up on Highway 6 past Benton, before Hawthorne, Nevada, before the 360. So that video has about 40,000 views on my TikTok. I'll drop a link. Well, I'll drop the name right now on any of these corners of on the screens. G805 at TikTok. So I got a lot of comments where that ain't nothing, cakewalk. Oh, I love it. Everyone's trying to get trying to get their name out there, you know what I mean? But yeah, so I chained up. It took me, I was there for like 7 hours, man, just parked, moving slow and slow and slow. And it was just, the major hold up was trucks didn't climb with chains, they were stuck on hill. So I put 2 on, just minimal, 2 on truck, 2 on the trailer. So yeah, you guys gotta check that video out. Got a lot of haters on there. I appreciate you guys. Share the video, drop more hate on that, I love it. But anyway, I want to give you guys an update what's going on for the journey today. And yeah, let's get the show on the road. Stay tuned, and we'll check in shortly, step by step. Might take a break up ahead. I had a coffee, right? Like I said, I got started early, and yeah, so stay tuned. And if you have time, go check out my TikTok, the G805. I do a little funny clips, trucking, just whatever comes to mind. That channel, that freaking page all over the place. So stay tuned. Peace. What's going on, guys? Forgot to mention, I got the mic for my GoPro. I know I shouldn't park right here, but I'm parking across the street. I'm gonna go across the street to the Port of Subs, but I'm gonna make sure I cross safely. Beautiful day. See if I don't get run over. I'm gonna run after this car. I'm going for it.
Alright guys, got our Jersey mics in here. Look at the wagon. You get this sound, so I'll check with you guys after. Peace.
I'm gonna show you what I got. Got a little Jersey Mike sub. I want to try these. I tried them before, but I just want to try it again. Gotta stay hydrated. A little snack, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm on the side here. No, don't park. That's dangerous, but I'm there, right? Update time to get it going. Passed. I think that was the 15th around there. I was over here. It was I made a TikTok and chaining up, and I got a lot of hate. Like I said, I appreciate the haters. So from this point it was snowing, but I'm about to go up Montgomery Pass right here, and Caltrans recommended minimal 2 on the drives and 2 on the trailer, regardless of how much experience you had, 100 years, 90 years, whatever a lot of damn drivers are driving, they want to change them. So I stopped about, I don't know, I'm going to say, yeah, it's right here. I remember right here, this first reflector on the right. I don't know if you caught that, but I stopped right there. I was right here parked, running my lines for 7 hours. The whole climb up was just a disaster. Truck spinning out, truck stuck. So for the actions of others, the ones that are prepared paid for the actions of the ones that weren't prepared. A lot of guys had no change. Me and another car hauler, his name was Mac, real cool dude. Probably never see him again, but we helped this guy get out of the snow. And so the main man, I mean, you've been driving through this route for a while, you just carry chains. A lot of people say I won't chain up. Well, for each his own. I gotta go. I'm not trying to sit around here all day and wait. Yeah, this pass, I can tell by the grooves in the road that I got. The road took a lot of damage. I can just tell you right now. The GoPro's not moving that much, but I took a lot of damage on this road. The road, and it was really bad at this point. It was like, it was so cold. My dashboard stopped working. I can still see my RPMs, my odometer, speedometer, but I couldn't see the temp or nothing else. So, at this point, it took me 7 hours to come across Montgomery Pass. And I think the elevation is about 4,000 feet, something like that. So, yeah, it's amazing what Mother Nature will do to you. I was literally here a few days ago, full-blown snowstorm. And you can see on the side of the road where a lot of tire marks where trucks got off the road. And yeah, I'm going to throw that out there. So, now it's all nice and pretty. If there's a lot of snow up top, I'll stop up ahead. Show you guys. But yeah, it's nice and beautiful now. Unbelievable. As I was climbing up, there was a truck stuck. Let me see. Right about here, he was stuck on the hill. That guy closed his curtains, turned his lights off, and went to bed. And I don't know how you can even do that. I understand you're stuck, but close your curtains? You're really brave to be doing that, man. Straight up. Go over to how you are. Yeah, so this is a pretty good climb, as you can see. It's a good drop right here. It's a good climb, I ain't gonna lie. Looks beautiful though, I'll tell you that. Yeah, I see, look at trucks pulled off right here. I don't know how they pulled off right there. Freaking maniacs. Forget that. And I even thought I was sharing my 2 cents on what's going on here on Tuesday. Get back there. What's going on, everybody? So you can let me get away from the noise. You can see it snow quite a bit over here, man. Looks like they cleaned it up right here. It used to be all abandoned. I always wonder how it was back in here when this city was open, you know what I mean? Truck looks decent. Nice thick snow. I want to go in there, to be honest with you. My heart does. I want to go face first in that bad boy. I'm going to show you guys how it was up here. Nice and clean, muddy now, so enough of me talking about trying to be a weatherman. Let's get this show on the road, everybody. Alright, what's going on, everybody? I don't know if you've seen, if you're not familiar with my channel, I put a short clip on, I like to give attention to detail to my truck, even though it's not mine. I don't do stuff to it because, you know, they take care of me here. I want to show you what I did to my truck. Simple. Bought the lights. I wasted like 40 bucks on the lights, and here we go. Bam. So pretty much when I'm driving, it's all lit up right here. Right here. I'm gonna add 2 more right there in the middle. Then I'm gonna add 1 in the center right here. So pretty much to get all the light on the dash. Pretty much, I had underglow, but that it's like whatever. But let me know what you guys think. Back to the vlog.
Freezing. It's like 5 degrees outside. Oh my god. Craving a tea right here at the 95 and Winnemucca. Whew. Check with you guys right now. Let me tell you guys, it's freezing out there. Alright, it is. It's cold, man. I look like I never seen cold weather in my life. Oh. Woo! Let me tell you, it's cold. I rarely ever put on 2 jackets. Rarely. And I mean that. It's cold. I even feel a little weak. Oh, fucking old man over here. But yeah, I want to give you an update. I got me a tea. I don't know why I was craving a tea. I got a little protein bar to eat with that. Let's keep on trucking. The guy said it's negative 5 out there in the up more than 95. So let's join the party. Yeah. Stay tuned. Let's get it going.
Alright guys, well, down light's supposed to be green, but it's not. Pulled up right here to Capital Distributors in Caldwell, Idaho. Got door A, 4A as an apple, number 4. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. I didn't really get that much vlogging last night. Driving was so damn dark. Love these lights. Yeah, it was too dark last night. I couldn't see that. It was freezing. Ooh, it was cold. I slept like a baby. After I get done right here, I'll have my 10 hours here and at the place. So, not bad. So, hope you guys enjoyed the content. And drop a like, comment, hit that bell for notification, and subscribe. It's free. I'm giving quality content, 4K quality, you know what I'm saying? Anywho, stay safe out there. Keep our truck in the G-Way. Until next time, I'm out. Stay safe out there, guys. Peace.